Friends, if you're looking for the best camera and high-performance smartphone on a budget, today we're going to introduce you to a phone that will leave even the iPhone behind. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Maze Pro Lite 5G smartphone, a device set to shake up the mid-range market with its 300-megapixel camera, Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and a massive 9500 mAh battery. If you're excited to get your hands on this incredible smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because today, we'll be diving deep into the full features, price, and launch date of this amazing device. So let's start. Features of the Nokia Maze Pro Lite 5G. Display. This stunning smartphone boasts a 6.85-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with HDR10 Plus support, doubling the fun of movies and gaming. Plus, with a 144 Hz refresh rate, every swipe and scroll will be buttery smooth. The display is also protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 2, and comes with an IP68 rating, making it dust-proof and water-resistant. DSLR level camera quality. Now, let's talk about its camera, the biggest highlight of this phone. The Nokia Maze Pro Lite packs a 300-megapixel primary camera, with OIS support, ensuring sharp and detailed photos even in low light. Additionally, it features a 32-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and an 8-megapixel macro lens. For selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front camera, that will make every shot social media ready. Blazing fast performance. When it comes to raw power, this phone is equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, currently the most powerful chipset on the market. That means heavy gaming, multitasking, and 4K editing, all without any lag. It also runs on the Android 16 operating system, ensuring a smooth and futuristic experience. Unstoppable battery life. If you think feature-packed phones drain battery quickly, the Nokia Maze Pro Lite 5G will change your mind. It comes with a massive 9500 mAh battery, easily lasting up to 2 days on a single charge. And if the battery does run low, 150-watt super fast charging will juice it up in just minutes. Price and launch date. Now, the most important question, how much will it cost? Well, you'll be happy to know that the Nokia Maze Pro Lite 5G is expected to start at just around $500. As for the launch date, this phone is set to hit the global market very soon.